Welcome, everyone. Very good morning to everyone joining us. And it's another live stream. And today we're going to be working on Rankfirst. And I think we still have like 42 hours left. So basically, the last stream, we decided that we're going to spend at least as much time as we spent developing on marketing. So we'd spent 44 and a half hours. We have 42 hours left of marketing. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And just for context, Rankfirst is like organic clicks on autopilot. You give us your website, we figure out who your customer is and what product or service you offer, and then we create an SEO strategy for you, targeting low competition, high volume keywords that are directly related to what you're doing. Not only that, but we then generate blog posts for you, like really profesh blog posts that are well researched, and they include images. They're not just like a wall of text, using the latest AI models. And then we generate them and automatically publish them for you. Automatically. Like, you literally don't have to do anything except monitor the clicks coming in. So that's Rankfirst in a nutshell. And now we're working on, we basically just started doing the marketing side of things. We're trying to figure out like how we're going to be able to get users, and specifically our first paying user. We don't have any paying users yet, and our goal is to change that. Get our first paying user. We're offering an early plan for $100 a month, which gives you, the ability to generate a blog, basically. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. Last time we sent out 100 emails, and basically got 0 responses back, unfortunately. And so now today we're probably going to send even more. I mean, I don't remember what the limit was, but I think the limit was like 1,000.
100.
It was 2,000 a day?
No, it was 100.
No, 100 an hour, right?
I don't know. It was 100. I remember 100, but I'm not sure if it's an hour or a day.
Hmm. We'll figure it out. 2,000 a day, man. What are you talking about? Mail merge operations are limited to 1,500 messages per day.
Okay, then it's 100 an hour.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. So, I think we can scale it up probably to 1,000 a day, right? We can try sending 1,000 emails today. The tricky part is probably figuring out, oh, beyond daily limits, they also enforce an hourly limit of 20 per hour. What? No, that's rubbish.
100.
That's rubbish. Wait at least 60 days after reaching. Oh, I think we're on the trial plan, man. That might be a problem. That might be a problem here.
Try plan mini.
I think we are on a trial plan. Let's see. Mm, billing, subscriptions. Paid service starts in 11 days. Yeah, we're on the trial plan, man. But you can start paid service if that fixes it. One assigned. All right. Your free trial will end and paid service will start immediately. Okay, yeah. All right, let's do that. Okay, so hopefully that lifts the limits up for us. I guess we'll find out. And then, so, okay, yeah, 10,000 messages in 24 hours. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. All right, so, but where are we going to get 1,000 leads from? That's the question, right? That's probably the trickier question. Where are we going to get 1,000 leads from? Now, last time we used Apollo, apollo.io. There it is. All right. So this is what we had last time. That's where we got the leads from. And I mean, I don't think we have a paid plan with Apollo, but we probably need one. There are 5,310 leads that we can tap into. So, I think that's a healthy start. Um, oh, look, we got the buffer guy in there. Man, we have so many. Interesting. Okay. All right. I mean, I don't know how big these companies are. Like, some of these have raised a series A or B. So I think they're probably good enough for us. Um, all right. So far I've been adding them to this rank first list, and we've used up the entire rank first list. So this is all used up. We want to send. Um, so
Another 100.
yeah, we're gonna add like nine, no, 1,000 people more. Um, maybe we do another list. Add records. Wait, how do we add records? From filters. Hmm. No. Okay. Let's keep this, and then we'll go to the saved search that we have. Hmm. Bit of a learning curve with this tool. All right. So why can't I just add? So I'm trying to add people. All right, people. We've got a okay. So we've got the saved search
It's
here.
not net new.
You what?
Net new. There's total and then there's net new.
Oh, other than the one that we've saved. Yeah, but we only have 100 saved. I don't know why it's showing 149. Anyway, okay. So if we pick out, um, let's say we pick out 1,000, and then, um, okay, upgrade now to select up to 10,000 records. I don't like the sound of that. 5,000 credits per user per month. Oh, okay, okay. All right, so we need to. No, but we're already on the basic plan. We get 5,000 credits. What is this? We're already on the basic plan. We get 5,000 credits. Why is that not enough?
Is one person per credit?
Yeah, I assume so. I don't know. I mean, we just requested the phone number, the email, not even the phone number. Let's see. Let's see. Plan overview. Credits in your plan, 100 credits of what? Bro, you said 5,000 credits. What do you mean 100 credits? Um,
Credits and AI usage. What's
add
that?
on credits. 80 temporary credits. Your trial ends in 4 days.
Trial. Probably just like Google.
Oh, it's because we're on a trial?
Probably. You haven't used anything with the.
See, email, 1 credit. Enrich data. We don't care about all the other stuff, so it's literally just email. Um, we get 5,000 credits per month, which we should be getting, but we're not.
So the free is 100 credits per month, the one to the left. So it's probably the
Oh,
free
so it's
trial.
it's because we're on a trial. That's what you're saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So we just got to pay 59 bucks. All right. 59 bucks for 1,000. I think that's fair. Okay. Upgrade. All right. I guess I'll do that off screen. And honestly, I don't even know if like these emails are good. Like we didn't get any we didn't get any you know those messages that you get from Google when you send to a to an email account that doesn't exist. We didn't get any of those. So
Yeah,
that is a good
like drop
sign.
emails.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, I guess that's a good sign. All right, so the reason this takes a while is because basically what I'm doing is issuing a new card just for this. Oh no, just for this vendor, and then that way, like you can control spending in case they go crazy and they start billing you. I don't know. Like sometimes, I mean, some of these companies sometimes like they just lose it. You know, they start. It's like Adobe is a famous example. You sign up to them, and then they don't let you cancel. And if you cancel, you have to call them, and you know they make you like jump through all these hoops. But you know, if when you signed up to them, you just use a card which has strict limits that you control, you can just cancel the card. That's it. End of story. You don't have to think about it. All right. So,
I used to have it with BISB. I used to create virtual cards for
oh yeah,
different services like this. Yeah, and so there's just enough to get you by or even try it for like 1 month.
man, I don't even know if they still offer that, or I never knew they actually did offer it.
Now I think they have it, and like before they closed down my account, it was there.
So you can just issue a card, any card with any
Yeah,
limit.
yeah.
So,
Anytime, as much as you like.
and you set your own limit.
Yeah,
No way,
yeah. It's but it's prepaid. Like you top it up with how
bro.
much you
That's
want.
fantastic. I mean, that's exactly what I was looking for. I
Yeah,
I
yeah.
I don't have a personal
Virtual cards,
equivalent to Brex, which is what I'm using for this. That's amazing.
virtual cards. Yeah. I used to use it much. That's why it was very devastating when my accounts closed down.
Wow.
They locked my account. They asked me to visit their branch. I told them I'm not there. They said, "Well, the next time you come here."
Oh,
I was lucky I found like a way to move whatever I have left in through benefit.
all right. You were right. The credits thing was because of the free trial. So now we have 5,000 credits. So we should just be able to go back and then pick out, you know, a thousand new leads. All right. So let's see what we got. Um, Try waterfall enrichment. Okay. Um, okay. So what we're looking for is I don't know if we should do you think we need to tweak the email that we sent out at all? Or do you think the sample size was just way too small? So, we should just try it on a larger sample and then, maybe start iterating with the copy.
No, I think like even for the 100 that we sent, we should send them like a second email.
A follow up, yeah.
Like, yeah, there are so many, there are many possibilities why we didn't get a reply. It could be a small sample space, or it could be they
Yeah.
just didn't look at it.
Yeah. So, hmm, you didn't answer the question.
Yeah, we can try a different variation.
In the 1,000 that we send out today?
Yeah, like we can send out 500. Um,
I
yeah,
see. I
A/B
see. Okay.
testing. Yeah,
Yeah. Oh, I like that idea. Okay. All right. I don't know what I was gonna do here. I think it was so emails. All right, let's close that. What was I gonna do? Net new. Okay. So I just select. Okay, yeah, I select 1,000. All right. Apply. Okay, and then we add them to.
it shouldn't add the same emails twice. Yeah.
Yeah, these are. I mean, these should be new ones. I mean, the list would be unique, right? Yeah, the list would be unique. So you just add it to the same list. All right, so now we just go to the list, rank first. All right, finished adding. Let's refresh. All right, so it didn't refresh. Let's refresh again. All right, beautiful. So we got 1,100. And then basically what we want to do is we want to select, um, I mean, you want to select the new ones, right? Save view, view options, filters. Great. I don't know. How do we exclude the ones that we added before? Do we have the added date? Okay, whatever. I feel like we just need to export this somehow.
View options.
I don't see an export option. List settings, CSV upload. Bro, how do I export this? Save view. No. Why do they make this so complicated? Maybe from the main view? Oh, here we go. Export list. Export all emails. All right. It will be emailed to you when complete. View export. Wait, okay. So we have the last export. I guess we could
Match like
yeah,
in
exclude the ones that we had from the first export.
in Drive, like we could just
I mean in Excel like with a VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. It's unnecessarily complicated, but whatever. It'll get us 1,000 emails. All right.
okay.
So which brings us to, what changes are we going to make to the email? Hmm.
We
What do you
had
think?
the last time we had two
The what?
examples. We can use the second one, the second message we chose from the list.
Oh yeah. It was in notes. Let me bring that up. Um okay, so this was the copy of Gmail sheets mail merge.
This was the 100.
Yeah. This was the 100 we sent out 3 days ago.
We have emails. Oh, okay.
We have what?
Oh, never mind.
Yeah, we have the emails here, so we don't need the old export. Um, I guess, so mail merge, send emails. I, I don't know. Like, I guess we'll just call this wave one, and then we just do another one, like wave two. Um, we'll just copy the whole thing, paste it, and then delete all the emails. And then we'll call this. This doesn't seem like the right the right approach to be taking, but or maybe um, sheet one
We can.
or sheet one. I don't know what it was called. So we just add a column and then we say, all right, this is wave. And then this will be wave one. So all of these guys were from the original or batch, right? Batch.
Hmm.
So, bro, why can't I scroll down? I can't even. This is ridiculous. All right. So, okay. So batch one. And then, all right. So then we're just gonna add more guys to the bottom of this. So that'll be where we get this next export. We'll just add it onto the list. And then we need to make sure that we don't send. I don't know how we're gonna do that, man. Like with this plugin, it needs to exclude. Maybe we need to modify the plugin to ask you which batch.
Yeah, that's a good idea. But what if the same email exists in both batches?
No, that's not possible, right?
Are you sure?
Mm,
Because you downloaded the whole bunch. So
yeah, yeah, you're right. I mean, it
unless
won't
unless there is an exported date, maybe there is no, there is no exported date.
date added to list. That would be
Yeah,
nice.
there is no.
I mean, we can manually sort of wrangle with it. Yeah,
So
we
the
can
unique
manually.
wouldn't work. Unique and filter.
You what?
Unique and filter
Unique and filter?
functions.
No,
Yeah, unique
no,
and
we
filter
can exclude
functions.
it. We can do this. It's not a big deal. So basically, what we'll do is we'll add an input sheet where we paste in all of his stuff, and then when we import
Ah,
it,
okay, okay.
we'll just filter to exclude anything that's already in here. So it's possible. It's doable. Um, yeah, but now we're just waiting for this to be ready. We can't download because it's still not ready. I know why it's taking so long. It's been 5 minutes. I mean, just 1,000 emails, bro. Okay,
You want
all
to
right.
make it
So I
difficult?
that gives us time to kind of figure out how we're gonna do the batch sending.
Yeah.
So we can just go to um, apps script and feed that into a model. Oh, good thing it's just one page. That's beautiful. All right, so we modify this script. Maybe we try out Windsurf for this. Um, it's been a while since we messed around with Windsurf. Oh, I like this theme. What is it? Synth Wave 84. But I need something
It's
light.
actually quite bad when
Tokyo
surf.
Night. Tokyo Night Light. What were you saying?
It's quite bad when surf. Like
It's
its
bad?
performance is, yeah, it's terrible. Like it can't handle load once you pile up. Like I was testing the other day. I was testing it. and then it just got, confused along the way.
They just
Maybe
made.
it's the model. I don't know.
Wait, did you? Did you try the? They recently made a new update where it has like an integrated browser and other stuff. I mean, I don't know
Windsurf.
if you tried the latest version of Windsurf. What am I doing? All right, so new text file. Um, why am I not seeing this guy? All right, all right. I mean, we're not done with our augment trial, so that's still there. Okay. All right, so we don't need that. Um, it's kind of hard to. Okay, I guess we just need to create a new folder for this. So I'm just gonna make Gmail merge. I think it's GS, not JS. Google Sheets. Yeah, GS.
Yes.
All right. So now we just tell it, um, can you modify this mail merge script to also hard code a batch column and update the UI to allow you to select which batch you want to send to and allow them to select from a unique list of batch values based on the referenced sheet.
What if we also tell it to make a script to remove duplicates?
Remove duplicates in later batches.
Yes.
That's a good
Basically,
idea, actually.
you would remove duplicates first, and then you do the sending. Let's see how it performs first with this one.
Before proceeding with sending, we should also remove all duplicates from the later batches, if there are any, starting
Why the
from the
later
latest
batches?
batch and moving down till all the values that remain are unique.
Yeah.
I think that definitely needs some prompt enhancement. So let's see what it comes up with. Now, I always love whenever I click this enhance prompt. I always love what it comes up with. It's really good. So please modify the mail merge script in code.js with the following requirements: hardcode a batch column name in the script configuration. It should read batch values from this column in the reference spreadsheet. Add a UI element that allows users to choose which specific batch to send emails to. Populate this dropdown with a unique list of all batch values found in the batch column. Only show distinct unique batch values. Okay. Before sending emails, implement a deduplication. Start with highest and work downward. For each email address that appears, keep only the instance in the highest batch number. Oh, no, no.
Lowest.
That appears in multiple batches, keep only the instance in the lower batch number. Continue until all remaining email addresses are unique across all batches. User selects a specific batch. System performs deduplication, not just a selected one. Oh, maybe deduplication should happen as part of a separate process, not like when you launch the thing. I mean, it just seems arbitrary. Like, why are we performing deduplication before any send? It seems unrelated.
Deduplication.
Yeah. I mean, it kind of feels like it's not relevant. We'll implement it separately. So whenever, like, maybe we have whenever you uh
Add new badge.
Okay, yeah, let's go. I'll help you modify. Okay, yeah. There's nothing, man. There's nothing, literally. Okay.
Can you revisit the prompt again, really quickly?
Oh, it's still doing the deduplication. Marks duplicates in non-selected batches as already processed. What? I removed all the stuff about duplication. Unique values. Okay. System performs deduplicate. Oh, crap. I forgot to remove the deduplication. Okay. Let me just stop that. Discard all. And then go back here and remove.
So what's the hard code does? The first part.
Oh, so it just adds a column.
Okay.
Yeah, where
What?
you can select batch. So it's like a reference to the column.
Mm-hmm.
To only process rows matching the selected batch. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Looks good. Let's go. So, yeah, we would set the batches. Let's see if this is done. Come on. Are we doing something wrong? Like, it's already there in a list. You're just making an Excel file. Oh. I mean, can we just select them and then manually do this? They're all here. Like, why would it take so long to export them?
Can you check your email maybe?
Uh, yeah. Nothing. I didn't get any emails. File not found. Let me try to create the file again. What? Create an HTML file? Why do you need to? Why is it complicating it? Oh, is it because? Huh. I mean, maybe we could just do it like this. You don't have to create a whole UI. Is it just going to modify the UI? Oh, well. We've gone too deep. We can't back out now. Okay. I think it's done. All right. Let's do it. So just copy this, paste it. I hope we don't lose the the original one that actually works. Maybe we should back it up.
Back it up.
I mean, I trust the script, but this feels like a big thing. So this is backup .js.
In
Okay.
merge.
All right. So yeah, let's take this and then paste it. Okay. So now we have batch column. Okay. And then we should also have an HTML file called, what is the file called? Batch selection.html. All right. And that should take care of that. All right. So we save it. Excellent. And then now we just need to refresh, presumably.
I changed the width of the batch.
Select batch and send emails. Oh, okay. Oh, I need to sign in. What? All right. Why all these permissions? This is new. Select batch for mail merge. Oh, did. Okay.
Oh,
All right. Very nice. Oh, it combined them. That's very nice. That's a very nice touch. Why, thank you. Thank you. I like this. I like this. Select batch for mail merge. Okay. I mean, I don't know why it's doing the form container max width thing. But it doesn't matter. We're not trying to create a friggin' web app here. Okay, so
yeah.
you pick the batch, and then maybe right here we can add a deduplicate option, or just add another menu item. Okay, bro, this is amazing. Now I'd just like you to add one more menu item for doing deduplication based on email address. And the way I want this to work is we should remove all duplicates starting from the bottom. So if there's a duplicate email address in a lower row, then I want the duplicate removed from the lower row first until we go all the way to the top and no longer have any duplicate values. I feel like I turned into a fisherman, you know? It's like I don't even know how to think clearly anymore. It's exactly like they were saying about, AI
The
just rotting out the
Flintstones.
brain. Yeah,
We're
so
going back to the Flintstone.
remove duplicate email addresses. Okay. Add the menu item. Okay. Identify duplicate email addresses. When duplicates are found, preserve the first occurrence. Okay. And remove all subsequent. That's exactly what I wanted to say. Process from bottom to top, removing duplicates starting with the lowest row numbers. No, lowest. You mean, I guess technically it's the highest, but lowest, I mean like on the page. But that would be the highest row numbers.
In terms of index, yeah.
Starting with the highest. Oh, or lowest. But it's going from bottom to top. Okay,
So the
actually,
lowest would be the older.
whatever. We'll just remove that line entirely. If no duplicates are found, okay. Verify that the spreadsheet has the required recipient column before proceeding. Handle edge cases like empty cells. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that sounds good. That's exactly what I wanted to say. All right, let's go. Cool. I mean, while we're at it, might as well just drop this and then drop the extra heading. I don't know why I added that extra heading, but it's a bit annoying. So let's just go ahead and do that. And then update the script. Okay. What is this? All right. Are you done yet? Come on. Okay, I think it's done. Yeah. All right. All right, let's refresh. Remove duplicates. Okay. No duplicates were found. Bro, that was too easy. That was too easy. So now
Try
we
to add a
need.
duplicate. Try to add a duplicate and see.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do, man. All right, so we're gonna add like this guy's in batch 2, and then we're gonna say remove duplicates. Found one. This will remove one row. Do you want to proceed? That's quite nice. Okay. Very nice. Very nice.
Oh,
It works
looks
exactly
like
as we expected. That's beautiful. So as soon as we get our export, we should be able to.
why is this part so slow?
I have no idea, man. It's ridiculous. Where's my export at? Exports. You gotta be kidding me. Unbelievable. It's still.
There
What is
is the
this?
download. That's
We just paid 59 bucks. Is the worker dead? Is that their worker is probably down?
if you click on download, does it download them?
No, I tried. It doesn't work, man. Let me see the
What
list
the
again.
fart?
It's ridiculous. You pay 59 bucks. I mean, you expect like some like a decent level of service, you know? It's ridiculous.
You want
Export list, export all emails. Let's go. Feel free to close this window. Great. Nothing. Unbelievable. All right. Um okay, maybe we can see all the rows together and then just copy paste it. Maybe we can do that. So just show me. Oh man, there's 25 pages. How am I supposed to export this?
25 means it's 100 something per page, yeah?
No, it's 25 a page. That's
Oh,
40
it's 50
40 something
something,
pages.
yeah.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
yeah, yeah.
I guess we just gotta wait, man. We just gotta wait. Not much we can do here. This is so stupid. Anyway, I maybe in the meantime, like we can work on. This is good. I like this. This was very good. Quite happy with the result. In the meantime, we can just figure out like the A/B testing thing. Oh wait. Maybe we can, since we already started this. Maybe we can have this
Send them a second
assign a version.
the follow up.
Oh, maybe we can add support for A/B testing. And you can provide the title for the A and the B, and then it randomly selects from the batch. Oh,
Oh,
oh, oh, oh, oh,
yeah.
oh. That's like a full
What if
featured A/B test thing.
what if you just supply the content directly
And
without creating a draft email?
um,
Like it would, um, or you want to create some kind of formatting in the email.
yeah, I guess technically we could. I don't see why not. I mean, assuming they
Hmm.
have like some sort of rich text formatting, like you'd need to embed some sort of editor directly inside
Oh,
the.
we're doing something that's unnecessary,
Yeah,
so
yeah, directly inside
never
the
mind.
UI. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, let's implement A/B testing. The way this would work is we would provide a subject for version A and a subject for version B, and the batch number, and you would manually assign in equal weighting uh, emails inside this batch to either the A or the B version, and indicate in the version column which version was actually sent for each email. Anything else?
I think that would be okay.
Yeah, let's see. Support for batches. Subject line for version A, version B, and then batch number. Automatically assign emails within the specified batch to either version A or B. Use equal weighting. Ensure random but deterministic. Same batch should always get same assignments. Oh, random
So,
but
but there is
deterministic.
so if you decide which one is A, which one is B, you'll have to so you'll be supplying two different email subjects to different drafts.
Yeah. Um, two
Mm.
different drafts. Yeah, and the drafts could have the same
Yeah,
email subject, or I guess they would be different. Yeah, you would have a different email subject because that's how we're referencing the drafts, right?
yeah, okay, yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, that's maybe an issue. Like referencing them by subject. Maybe we add like a space if we want them to be different. What if we want the
Or
same?
we can change the probably just add a punctuation or something,
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I'm thinking.
exclamation mark, anything. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. I feel like we're building a mail merge tool now. Like the version that I was
Well,
paying for, bro.
some
The
people are
version I
paying
was
for
paying
it.
for was it 120? What was it? No, 60 a year, and then it doesn't even have A/B testing. So like it doesn't do A/B testing.
We can sell it.
Yeah, it just gets us derailed a little bit. Like we're trying to solve a different problem here. We'd still have to figure out like how we're gonna get customers for the mail merge tool that we're
Yeah,
building in
yeah,
order to
yeah.
get customers for Rankfirst. It's just ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous.
If it's before you even started.
Yeah. Start another project. You just want to code. That's a symptom. Like you're just trying to find an excuse to code. That's what's going on.
That's very true.
All right. So A/B testing dialog. Oh, it's gonna be a different file. Alrighty, alrighty. So let me add A/B testing sending functionality. Okay. I feel like it's getting a bit complicated. I need to extract it so it can be reused. Let me do that. Okay. So added a version column. Okay. All right. So we need to have a version. So insert one left, and then we're gonna have a version column here. Okay. But what's variant then? Oh, variant. Huh.
Variant is the context, so that's what the A/B testing is for.
So for variant we used this is a reference to the email that we sent, right? Um,
The text in the body.
subject. Well, this isn't actually used. Like the ones that are used, I think are batch, version, and email sent. These are the ones. Wait, let me see.
And
So
the first name
recipient,
too.
email sent, version, and batch. So yeah, recipient as well. These are these are used by the code. Um, that's it. Like the other ones are variables. This one isn't even used by anything like that. That's just for us.
This is us, yeah.
Yeah. All right, it's done. Would you like me to help you test this? Let's see which files we need to add. So we have batch selection. I don't know if that changed, but let's see. Batch selection. No, didn't change. All right. And then code, that must have changed. All right. And then we have A B test selection. Okay. So we got A B test selection. Okay. All right. Cool. Let's save. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's refresh. Oops. Refresh. All right. So where's our mail merge? There it is. A B test email campaign. Oh, it's a separate thing if you want to do A B testing. Okay. I mean, it's probably going to be similar to the
Version A, 50%.
right. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah. So it's similar, but you just have a versioning thing. I thought it would be part of the same menu. Like you just have an option, oh, A B test, and then you would select two subjects instead of one. I didn't think it would make like a whole whatever.
Separate.
Yeah.
That's not a problem.
I mean, it doesn't matter. I thought it would just be a single file instead of like two separate flows for whether you're doing A B testing or not. So on the main file that we use, uh, if we find that you would just have like an option that says, oh, enable A B testing, and then you would be asked to provide two subjects. If you disable A B testing, it would just ask for a single subject. That's what I thought. Why am I telling it? That's what I thought. Anyway, let's see if it can make sense of that. Modify to include A/B testing with rather than having two separate menu options and dialog flows. Yeah, exactly. Why would you need two files? That doesn't make sense. It's just because there are probably going to be bugs later on. I mean, that's what I'm trying to avoid. I don't actually care if it's two, but it's just to avoid potential bugs. Anyway, what happened with the export, man? Let's see. Are we still wasting our time? Oh, finally. It took long enough. For God's sake, that was like at least 20 minutes. Wasting our time. All right, so
So,
CSV, how are we going to open this CSV file? Let me see. Probably open it with, oh, numbers. Yeah, I forgot. I had that. Okay. Let's see if there are any comments. Is there any comments on this stream? It doesn't show up in OBS for some reason. The comments, they don't show up. Oh, we got one on LinkedIn. So my man Abdurrahman is saying that speed and efficiency I saw in the first stream of making Rankfirst, did you learn it through YC? Hmm. I don't know, man. Like, no, I don't think like they say, you should launch quicker. Yeah, I don't think they have like specific tactical insights for how you do it, but they definitely say yeah, you should be launching quicker. So, um, but man, it's so much easier said than done, right? I mean, you're looking at us now. We're just adding features, and we're like, oh, refactoring the code. Why are we doing this? Doesn't matter, if it's two or if it's one. We're just trying to make the tool better. That's basically what we're doing, wasting time as a result. Actually, we're not. We're not. We're just multitasking. Like we're gonna take
We're
this
waiting
code.
for the contacts. So
Yeah, yeah, we're waiting. So we're actually
we
not
took
looking
our
at the code.
time.
Yeah, that's a, that's what you got to keep telling yourself, man. So we got first name, recipient, and then business name. Those are the columns we want. So first name, and then bro, the command scroll is not working. First name, and then we got
Email.
recipient. That's going to be the email, and then the business name. It works in here, it just doesn't work in Google Sheets for some reason. And then the business name. So company name for emails. What is this? What do you mean company name for emails and then company? Oh, they clean it up. Look at that. Oh, it's nice. That's nice.
Nice.
Company name for emails. Yeah, that's definitely what we want. The cleaned up company name. That's perfect. All right, this is gonna be batch two. And then so we just gotta scroll all the way down.
I
And
think we should
okay,
include the last email from the last batch to batch two.
what?
Grant, grant, index 101, 101.
Yeah,
It should be batch two.
he should be batch two. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, we gotta repeat him. Yeah, yeah, you're right. All right, so let's try out the deduplication. So right now we have how many emails? We have 1201 rows. Let's do remove duplication. Found 100 duplicate. That's exactly what we were expecting. Yeah, let's go. All right, looks good. We still have 100 rows for batch one, and then batch two now has. Oh, it's removing it. It's in the process of removing it. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. All right. So we should have 100 rows for batch one. That's right. And then it removed it from the other ones. That's perfect. Cool. Very nice. All right. So what do we do now? What are we doing? Single workflow.
Now
All right. We're done. We're
we should,
done. So
we should,
we gotta add the
we
code.
should,
We should what?
we should also, I think, add to the code to, so for the batch or the mass sending, it should send 100 every hour.
Oh, 100 every hour?
Yeah.
No, man, that doesn't apply.
Oh, that was the free trial. Okay, 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 okay. So
It
every
shouldn't.
hour,
It shouldn't. I mean, I guess we're gonna find
it
out.
allows you. Okay, let's go for it. Let's create the drafts.
Let's refresh and see. Yeah, yeah, draft. So we need some drafts. Do you want to try the same draft that we had the first time? Because I was only sent to 100 people. Maybe
Yes,
maybe it's
correct. Yeah.
maybe it was
And
just
then we.
bad. Yeah, this has like a bit of a FOMO angle. All right. Okay. Yeah. Um. Cool. Okay. So how do we do this? So we're gonna keep this first one, and then we're just gonna create another one for this version. So let's copy, and then we got first name in the title. We could do a similar one. Curious to see what cutting edge. Okay, and then I feel like maybe with a bit more specific, like for a future trial, maybe we could try being like ultra specific. Um,
Like mention the first name in this subject,
no,
in
no,
the
I mean,
title,
I mean,
in the body.
No, I mean like run the strategy. Like figure out, like crawl their domain, figure out what product or service they sell, and then come up with a strategy and a title or maybe a few titles, and then say, would you like me to show you like a post titled, and then give them the actual title. So,
No, I think we could do that in the follow-up email.
oh, in the follow up,
Yeah.
hmm, yeah, we could actually. So that way you're not just repeating, hey, by the way, did you miss my email? Be like, or I crawled your site. Here's what I found.
I took on the privilege
Oh
of
yeah, yeah, yeah.
actually doing
That's smart.
the
That's a
research
good
for
one.
you.
All right. So title. What are we doing for the title?
So this is not a question. This is more like a FOMO. I want to ask you. I want to, heads up. No,
Heads up.
something like. So the subject is a FOMO. So you want the title to be FOMO as well, like FOMO. Something like. Um, have you noticed you lack this? Something like that. Maybe your business needs this. Maybe something like. Um, um, did you check your SEO lately? No, but SEO in subject is kind of
Mm, I I
spooky.
I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying. Let's see. Let's pass in a screenshot of this. Can you suggest a better title for the email on the right? I'm trying to do A/B testing. Bro, that's ridiculous. You're probably missing out on what? What? FOMO trend driven? Maybe don't fall behind and then comma the name. But I feel like that's just so, I don't know. It's a bit cringe. Maybe heads up. I kind of feel like maybe thought you might want to see this.
What about first name? Got a second? Maybe got a minute?
That's so vague though. What's the FOMO angle there?
The curiosity.
Curiosity?
Yeah, like you
Not
want them to
FOMO.
open up. Yeah, I want them to open the email, not
Probably
fear
this
they're
one
missing
then.
out.
Thought you might want to see this, and then the name.
It's the problem is with thought you might want to see this. It's like is heavily used with others. It's like if we need to find a different variation, it's like it's a very common approach. That's like I've read this several times on my email. I got it. Look, I have it like connected to spammers.
Hmm. Heads up then. Okay. Heads up. What do you think?
I don't know. If we can find like another variant,
Quick thought.
a different one. Yeah, quick thought is good.
Quick thought for first name. Yeah. Okay.
Or first name, comma, quick thought. Hey, quick thought.
You mean on the top of the email or in the subject?
No, in the subject, in the
No,
subject.
that's not weird, man. So you're
That's
saying like
weird.
Ibrahim, quick thought
Hey, Ibrahim, quick thought.
in the subject?
Yeah.
No, that's not gonna work, man.
You
That
don't feel it?
yeah. I mean, maybe in the body of the email, possibly, but in the subject, it's
The
gonna look
hey.
like you mistyped it.
Okay.
Quick question, and then quick thought.
Yeah. Let's see
That's
which one.
ingenious, huh?
Yeah,
That's
let's
very
revisit the
smart.
text again. We're not missing out on anything.
Oh, I checked the text. Yeah.
Yeah.
Um. Yeah, looks good. All right. I'm just excited to try out the tool, man. So
Yeah.
let's see.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Choose a batch.
Bismillah.
All right, we're going with batch two. Enable A/B testing. Oh, it's beautiful. Make sure
Did
you
we
have.
did we uh did we mark the new batch with two?
Yeah, it should do that. Oh, did we mark it? Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, I did.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
All right. So let's start. All right. So we got batch
So it
two.
should fill the version on its own, yeah?
The what?
The version that
Yeah,
should be filled
yeah. It,
by
it
the
should
script.
update the column. But we haven't tested it
Okay,
though. So we're gonna be testing it.
let's go for it.
We're gonna be testing it live.
All right.
All right, here we go. Bismillah.
Bismillah, go for it.
Here we go, my man.
But I like how it came up with a script, a server
Reading from
error,
storage. What?
permission
Let me
denied.
feed this in to our man VS Code. See what he says about it.
I feel
Ergo.
like I'm weird. Like we don't even think about the message anymore. We just feed directly to.
Did it send anything? Oh, nothing. Not yet. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
I mean, that's good. That's exactly what you want. What is it talking about? I can see the user has the code.gs file open and selected all the code. Let me help Oh, it takes a selection. Oh, okay. Okay. Make sure you have a version column. Ensure the drafts exist. The script needs Gmail API permissions. Let me clean up those minor linting errors. Huh. Okay. I mean, it didn't find anything, so all right. Let me just update. Okay. I think we didn't refresh. Maybe that's why. Let's see. We probably need to refresh, and then maybe it would require new permissions. I don't know. So we save, and then um,
Maybe
execution.
debug.
No.
No, no.
Oh, that's the failure. Process batch selection failed. Do we see the details? Hmm. Process batch selection failed. Okay. Let's see if that helps. I can see the issue. The process batch selection is trying to call. Let me add better error handling to catch and display the actual error. Yeah. Okay. That'd be good. All right. Okay. Let's see if we can get it working now. I didn't know you could access the debug logs. Well, actually, I knew, but it's been a while since I did anything with app script. So let's do that again. Okay. And then executions. Let's just make sure. All right. Cool. So choose a batch, enable A/B testing. Version A is this. Version B is that. Okay. I'm not seeing the executions here. Oh, there it is. Oh, it failed again.
Failed again.
How do we see the details though? We're sorry, a server error occurred while reading from storage. Error code permission denied. Maybe we just need to remove the extension and then add it back in. I don't know how we installed it to begin with, actually. Huh. Open container. No. How do we see the details, man? Why is it so hard to find the debug logs? Um, no logs are available. Oh, check the console logs. The new error handling will show you exactly what's failing. Wait. Okay, so common issues based on the error here. Make sure you have Gmail drafts. Ensure you're okay. Make sure the selected batch has email addresses. Check they haven't been already been sent. Script needs wait. Oh, okay. What was that? Check it wasn't already sent. Maybe it's because of this. Could be. I think
Either that or the permissions.
it checks to make sure it's not empty. Where's the permissions thing? Yeah,
It should
so
be based on a quick Google
script needs
search.
Gmail
It's
API
on
access. May need to
my
reauthorize permissions.
accounts
Oh, okay.
connected.
How do I reauthorize permissions?
So then connected apps and sites.
Go to script, open your Gmail merge project. On open, click run. Okay. Select any function and then click run.
Ah,
Oh, okay.
play button.
Um, okay, so just click run. Ah, okay. But it didn't. There were no issues. Test process batch selection. Oops, can't find Gmail draft. Oh yeah, I didn't pass anything in, that's why.
So hopefully this will work.
If you can run it from here. We're not running it from here. A dialog, okay, clear and regrant. Go to permissions, remove access, and then go back. Oh, okay. Refresh menu, go to extensions app script, close it and return to your sheet. Hmm, okay. Hmm, I don't know, man. I guess delete project. No, no, we don't want to delete project. Okay, I don't know, man. I'll just refresh and then we'll try it again. Maybe it was that row that already had an
Yeah,
entry.
we didn't try
Yeah.
after deleting the row.
And then I'll open up the console as well. Maybe we're able to see stuff here. So enable A/B testing, and then we'll do this for A, this for B. All right, here goes nothing. Bismillah. Ah, okay, maybe we
Permission
just,
denied.
there's only one solution here, man. We need to
Delete and
delete
install
it.
again.
Yeah, yeah. If it's a permissions issue, then we can just delete it and then recreate it. All right, refresh. All right, we're going to go to app script. We're going to create it again. And then we're going to create an HTML file for batch selection. And then we're going to paste that in and save. All right. Okay. All right. So now when we run, it should trigger. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's go. Yeah. Take everything. Okay. Very cool. Refresh. Let's refresh just to make sure everything is nice and fresh. All right. Let's go, man. I'm just getting sick of copy pasting these subjects.
What's this
Ah,
part? What's reading from storage?
in apps from the function run, if it runs without errors, try the actual. The most common cause is insufficient permissions. Test process batch selection. Okay, it wants us to run test process batch selection. Run. The menu still fails with this
You know,
error message.
one of the solutions people are talking about is to try it in incognito mode with logging into the. So they're claiming that using opening multiple Google accounts is the cause.
No, but we don't have multiple accounts.
You have multiple accounts, yeah.
No, not in this profile. You'll notice when I signed in, there's only one user. Oh, hmm. You think?
Try it
But it was
in
working earlier.
incognito
Why would
mode.
it not be working now?
Maybe because of the changes we made. Try it like an incognito mode.
Oh, sign in
incognito.
incognito. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
worth a
yeah,
shot. Worth a shot.
yeah. They're saying the front end is loaded and executed by logged in user X, which is your case, and the back end is executed by another user. I think
List.
that's the conflict.
Yeah. It's just asking us to check list Gmail draft. Let me do that now. There is no list Gmail draft. Run list Gmail drafts. Okay. Where is it? Oh, it just added it. It just added list Gmail draft. Okay. Yeah, I can find the list
Let's,
Gmail draft.
yeah, let's go for incognito mode, man.
Let's do it. All right. So, incognito mode, here we go. All right. Okay. Let's see if it loads up. All right, it does. And then batch 2. Let's go. Oh, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. You
What
cracked it, my
worked?
friend. You cracked it. 493
Google.
versus 508. That's a big difference, actually. No, I don't want to proceed. I feel like that was a big difference.
Was it? It was like a 10 or
493, 508. Yeah, it's substantial. I mean, that's enough to skew the results. Like, we wouldn't be able to compare apples to apples. So that was the problem, huh? Oh, it's deterministic. So no matter how many times we try, we're still going to get the same sort of setup.
same.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go. So, um, let's close that. Close that. Should start seeing some emails get sent. Oh, here we go.
We're seeing some low. Let's
Quick
see if
thought,
it's
quick
updating the
question.
sheet.
Oh, wow. I mean, it'd be nice if we had some sort of progress bar to look at. Should now be resolved. Okay, now you're ready to test. Yeah, this is rubbish. I don't know what it's doing here. I'm just gonna discard all this stuff. Um, well, this stuff is good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I just want to undo that last one that it did. Where do we go back? Oh, here. Yeah, just here. It'd be great if we could see a progress bar showing how many emails were sent so that we can monitor it as we're sending emails. This is especially useful for sending large numbers of emails. All right, so while that's going, let's see. Oh, sent 1,001 emails. Wait, really? 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 1,001 emails? No way. I only see 100
Check out
here.
the pages.
Bro, it only sent 100. Let me refresh. No, it only sent 100. See?
But
It
it's
says 1
50
to 50
pages.
of 201. Yeah, see? They all errored out. So you can only send
So it's
100.
100.
You can only send 100. So what do we do about that?
We should modify the script to send 100 every hour.
Every hour? Bro, the script
Yeah.
can't run for that long. Or maybe we just have it send 100 at a time and um like we keep track of what was sent. Um I think like the reason we have the 100 limit is because Gmail workspace sending limits emails. 2000 rolling 24 period.
Okay.
Okay, 500 per day. Trial accounts. Okay. Where's the 100 limit we're bumping into? Oh, look. After converting to a paid account, the full 2000 email limit becomes available once your domain has cumulatively paid at least $100.
Oh,
And 60
so it's
days
like
have
10
passed since reaching that payment threshold?
after a year.
Oh, God. They're trying to avoid spammers.
Spams
They
here.
think we're spammers. That's Can
They
you
think
believe
any
this?
any new client is a spammer.
They think we're spamming, man. That's what they think is going on.
Hmm. What if? No, I think we should modify the script. Maybe add a field that says no. If there is a date, it means this email was sent. So when we pick up to send the second batch, we know where to start off from.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. It appears there's a 100 email sending limit per hour when modify the script to allow picking up where it left off. So basically create like a job or something and allow resuming the job after an hour by like some I don't know if this needs to be manual or if it's going to be like automatic. If there's a way that you can automatically uh, continue sending emails at the hour until the entire batch is completed. Don't write any code or make any
The,
modifications yet. Just help me plan out the implementation with you.
does it have something called like a background processing or something?
Background processing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they have like some sort of scheduled. I don't know, man. Like that's its job, right? Does Context
Yeah.
7 have Google Apps script? Context 7. Google Apps script for AI. That's a good one, yeah. Google Apps script for working on it. What? Um Context 7 JS. Ah, this one.
Um,
Google Work. Oh, app script templates? Samples? Let's see what it comes up with. Then research the available options. Yeah, that sounds fair. If you exceed these limits, you'll receive error messages such as you exceeded the maximum recipients, your account will be suspended for 24 hours. I don't think I don't think we got suspended. It just doesn't let you send more.
Still active.
For consumer Gmail accounts, provide a manual resume button to continue after an hour. Store progress in spreadsheet or script properties. Okay. Automatic time based triggers recommended. Oh, okay. Nice. Time based triggers. Oh, wow. That sounds good. If complicated, it sounds a little bit complicated. The time based triggers.
Maybe it's the title is complicated. Maybe it's straightforward.
Yeah. I'll just tell it to do it. But maybe there's some UI stuff that we need to we need to actually click around and do something. And then, that's something that we could end up fumbling up. Do you typically send batches of hundreds or thousands? Yeah, we typically send 1,000 plus. Would you prefer fully automatic resumption? Automatic resumption preferred. Should the script send email notifications when batches complete or just update the spreadsheet? Update the spreadsheet. Use that as source of truth. How should the script fail? Retry, skip, or stop? Hmm. Handle failed emails? Stop on failed emails. Do you need to support multiple concurrent batch jobs or one at a time? One batch job at a time is enough. So yeah, I mean, it'd be nice if it could just, automatically send everything and then we don't have to check in like every hour for 10 hours. I mean, that would be nice. Hmm. I've got a trial on Google Workspace that I upgraded to paid, and I'm still stuck with a 100 email an hour sending limit. So that was a waste. Like, now we're paying them. We don't have a trial anymore, and we still can't send more than 100. The account limitation period, that Google Workspace. Okay. Similar to free Gmail consumer accounts. Serious? Full paid account limit, 2,000 emails per day. Months to years. Oh, wow. Nice. Hmm. Anti spam security measure. All right. Okay. All right. Not much we can do about that. All right. Now I'll implement the rate limit. Okay. All right. Cool. By the way, guys, if anyone wants to join us live, there's a link right up here in the stream. Oh, it's actually barely visible. There we go. Right there. Okay. Other than emails, man, what do we have going on? Like
We
reaching
can
to
run our own
hmm?
content creation, you know,
Content creation?
yeah, our
Well,
own blog.
oh, yeah. It's a bit of a long term one, though.
Yeah,
Especially like SEO. Like if you're trying to rank for SEO, I mean, that's basically what everybody with an SEO tool is doing too, right? So good luck with that.
we can post about it in different forums. YC news,
Yeah, I think we were gonna do that, right?
very, yeah.
Do you want to see a sample post? Yeah, yeah, that's what we're going to do. Lead gen tool on our site. Um, Enter your email to get a full strategy. Channels, Reddit, Twitter, HN Bookface. Yeah, yeah. So we just need to make the lead gen tool on our site. Yeah, yeah, that's right. I mean, we did this part. All right, bro. I need to go stretch my legs. Get back in like, I don't know, 7 minutes, 8.
All right.
We'll let this cook in the background. All right, folks. See you in a
So
bit.
it doesn't burn.
All right. Seems like it finished. Batch selection. Okay, let's try it out. So, what do we got to do? Let's go to script. All right, so refresh. Let's see how this works. So we got, so this is the error 202. So row number 202, that's where we have the problem. So we just go to, oh, it needed updated permissions. The system will automatically pause and resume every hour until all emails are sent. You can check progress or cancel using the mail merge menu. Um, okay. I'm not sure if we should start it now or we should just wait until like the next
An
hour.
hour. Yeah, we shouldn't risk suspending the account.
Yeah. So that was sent 10:52. That was the last wave. Um, I guess we got another 30 minutes, 32 minutes. Hmm. But we don't really know if it works or not.
Yeah. Do
How does
we
this
need to test it? On
check job status? Hmm. Yeah, we'll just wait. We'll just wait. All right. Yeah, it's just half an hour, so we'll wait and
so,
then it'll take care of it. Um,
what changes has it made in the late one?
bro, you want to sit and look at code? Let's see. It made a markdown file to summarize. So stops at 95 emails an hour, leaving a safety buffer. All right. Sends up to 95 emails in the first batch. I think it would be helpful if we also um, tell it to handle the errors that come, like the service invoked errors, which we saw. Um, if it can handle those, then that will allow it to work even in cases where, like, we trigger it multiple times during a window and we've already sent the 100 emails. What? Script delayed 1 minute waiting for quota for Gmail expensive? What is that?
Probably the limit condition that was.
That's not in our code.
Is it not? We didn't check the code.
No, I just searched. There's nothing about that here.
Ah, okay.
In the last run before the rate limiting implementation that you applied here, um, we got this weird log message. can we use that to figure out? No, that doesn't make sense. I don't think the log message is what we're after. It was that service invoked error that I cleared. I mean, that would have been useful for figuring out when to resume. Let's خلاص now. No, let's just wait the 30 minutes. Then we can. So, what do we do in the meantime?
So we can start with the other scripts, the one that allows random users to get titles.
The lead generation tool?
Yes,
Hmm.
the full strategy, not the maybe. I think we decided that we would generate one blog post to them.
We can send them a sample by email, maybe?
The strategy, no, they will see the strategy, but to get a blog post, they have to submit their email.
Hmm. Okay. All right. Yeah, let's do that.
Well, I think we detailed on it. Like
Yeah, I saw it here. This is what we had from last time.
yes,
I
enter
give them
your
an
email
offer
to
they
get a
can't
full strategy.
refuse. Do you want to see a sample
They will see a
post?
sample post,
Yeah.
but the strategy they will get through their email.
Right.
You're having some crispy stuff, man.
I'm having
You make me feel hungry.
cucumbers with lemon. It's like a healthy little snack,
Oh,
you know, before you dive into the chocolate cabinet. It just makes me feel
uh,
better about anything I eat later.
I can't remember where I read this, but if you eat nuts with something sweet, it will reduce the sugary effect in your body.
If you eat nuts with something sweet,
Yeah, like with chocolate or something. Like you have nuts with chocolate.
hmm, man, it's crazy what's going on with
Politics?
Iran and Israel. I mean,
Yeah,
it's been
yeah.
it's been crazy for a while now, but it just
But now it's practical.
things are escalating.
Yes, yes, yes. Well, what do you expect?
Yeah,
Well, things will get rough. Like if they don't settle down, things will get rough head on. Like you would expect, the end of the world is near.
yeah. It reminds me
Or
of this story I
final.
heard a long time ago. Um, it's in Arabic. Maybe you've heard of it. Uh, the the line that's repeated, or the lesson from the story is "أكلت يوم أكل الثور الأبيض," and it talks
Hmm.
about مجموعة ثيران, and someone came in and turned the group of oxes against each other by pulling out and saying, I think there was like a black one and a red one and a brown one and a white one. And then they slowly started with like the black one. He's, oh, he's not like you guys. You guys are better. And then he ate the black one. I don't know. I think it was like an ox or like a fox or something. Not a fox. like a wolf. I don't know what
Yeah,
would eat
yeah,
an
yeah,
ox.
yeah.
I have a vague recollection of the thing, but the lesson stayed with me, which was this idea that, whenever you have a group of people, if you divide and conquer, and
Yeah.
if the person doesn't stand up for the first guy, then before long you're going to be the only guy left. So
Yes,
yeah,
that's
this
true.
kind of wave of nationalism that's been sweeping like a lot of the places in the region, and then
Yeah.
that kind of creates these small communities, and then later on, like they just start taking out each one of them, and before you know
Taking
it,
one out, yeah.
yeah, yeah.
They're all gone. Yeah, that's very true.
It's so obvious to me, but just seeing it play out, it kind of feels to me like, okay, this is too obvious, you know?
Yeah. Like even with the recent movement that has moved from Algeria through Tunisia, Libya, which is meant to reach Gaza,
Hmm.
has been tracking lots of attention too. Um, and
Yeah, I heard about that.
yeah, they've been stopped in Libya now, halfway.
Yeah, first they got
Uh,
an escort for the first half, and then the second half they wouldn't even let them
yes, the
in.
second half they've been held. But the initiative is has a meaning. It doesn't have to, be. But there are so many values embedded in it.
Yeah, yeah. I think it started with the flotilla that was sent, and then that
Mm,
kind of open people's
yeah,
eyes to the possibility that you can actually make a difference. I think for so many people, you just assume that, oh, I as an individual or as a small group can't really do
can't
anything.
do anything. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's true.
but
You build the snowball effect.
mm-hmm, yeah,
Yeah, Malaysia now is planning to send out 1,000 ships.
really,
Yeah, I think I've read the news today.
oh no way, 19 hours ago,
Yeah,
really,
yeah.
wow, that's
This was
crazy.
influenced by the one I told you about, the قافلة الصمود.
Wow, that's crazy. 1,000 to assemble 1,000 civilian ships to sail to Gaza. Coordination meeting in 30 days? What? Oh, so when was this? June 13th. What? They're gonna coordinate in 30 days?
Yeah, in a month's time. Well, from
I
what I've heard, my understanding is that the 1,000 ships to be brought together has to be like in collaboration with several civilian ships, I think. So the whole
Oh, sea ships launched from every nation,
yeah,
gathering in a country
like the
close to
snowball
them.
effect, basically.
Mm,
Yes, they will start somewhere and then they will build, just like what happened with the قافلة الصمود.
yeah, that's amazing. I hope it actually
Yeah, all
works
these
out.
movements that are taking place, they just, you know, bringing attention to the case.
Yeah. What are we doing? All right, so let's fire this up. So let's plan it out with this guy first. Um, so we're gonna tell him, all right, listen up. We created the tool, but no one's buying our thing. And so we need to create a lead generation tool, something that gives people a taste or a whiff of what Rank First is all about. And that's where we need your help. A
Well,
lead
I'm telling
generation
you,
tool will lure people in by promising them a sample post for their company to demonstrate what state of the art AI SEO is capable of. So all you need to do is you enter your email address and you get a so we crawl your site, pull out the relevant keywords, and then um, show you a sample post. And if you enter your you enter your email address up front, and then we send you a strategy, like that just seems ridiculous. Um,
No, you get to see a post. You will see a post, like you put in your domain name, and then you get to see a generated post, like a sample. But then for you to get the strategy, you need to supply your email.
okay, so do you enter your email up front or no? Just the domain?
No, after you see the blog post.
You enter your email after the blog post is generated?
Yeah.
Okay.
To get the strategy, like you won't see anything. You would only see a blog post. Like you would see some fancy stuff like searching keywords, weighing keywords, revising, researching, that kind of fancy stuff
Pick a
before you see the
title
blog post.
and show you a sample post and um, generate a sample post for you.
Yeah,
If you're then prompted, we then prompt you to enter your email address if you want to get a full SEO
strategy,
strategy for your
PDF.
site based on the keywords with the least competition and highest volume. So you enter your email address and then we send that by email as a PDF.
Correct.
Bro, that's a
But
lot of
we
work.
also want to show, we want to also show, like it can create a plan and start implementing it, but we want to show something like, progress animation, something fancy, you know?
Yeah, I hear you.
It could be done later then.
It's very important that this tool show the user all of the work that it's doing in the background. So we should show the status. We
Status
should show the user
animated.
um, the audience, for instance, the product or service that we parse from their site. We also show them some keywords that we retrieved. If maybe not the entire list, but at least mention like how many keywords we retrieved and whether we're going broader or narrower. And then we should also show them that we're generating a strategy, and then show like some sample titles that we recommended before finally showing them like the sample post that we actually picked. The point is the whole process needs to be uh, it needs to show like visually to the user what's going on, what we're doing in the background with clear progress indicators, so that they don't get bored and just bounce off. All right, let's see if it can improve that prompt. Okay, simple form asking show real-time oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, that would be amazing, man, if it can do this. I love it.
But we don't want to reveal everything though.
You
Just I'm
don't
gonna give you like a snippet,
a snippet.
like a taste of it. Let's see what you can do, and then we can like limit
We we
some
can
info.
yeah, yeah. So read a lead generation tool for rank first at, and then we can give it the location where we want it. So maybe we could hit, at slash demo. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. All right. All right, existing workflow services. Yeah. Add a demo lead table. Okay. App slash demo. Okay. Database schema. Okay. API. What? API demo? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Bro, YouTube is dead. Like we haven't had any interaction on YouTube for a while. I have no idea. Maybe it's the thumbnail. Like we haven't changed the thumbnail for the last few streams, so they probably think there's something wrong with the thumbnail. I don't know.
Why would they think something is wrong with the thumbnail?
Something's wrong with what?
Why would they think something is wrong with the thumbnail?
Well, it's just the same thumbnail everywhere, It's like I don't know. I mean, it was the same before as well, so I don't know if that's much worse than this one. Oh well. Someone subscribed to us. That's fantastic.
An hour ago.
That's fresh. Okay. All right, we're at 243, man. We're killing it. It's beautiful. Bro, we finished the 1 hour. No, 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 not yet. 10 minutes to go. 10 minutes and then we can start
12,
start the new batch.
12 minutes.
12 minutes. Right, yeah. 12. Just you wait, my friend. We're going to spread that love everywhere. Oh, the final steps? Really? No way. It's already done? That would be crazy. Oh, is Postgres running? All right. I have no idea why the build is taking this long. Seems like something's wrong.
Postgres is running.
I mean, we're 2.5 hours in. I have no idea what we're gonna do for 39 more hours on the marketing side. That's
Well, we have to get creative.
yeah, yeah, we will. No, no, don't do that. Correct function signatures. Prisma works.
It's stuck with the database connection.
Let me fix the TypeScript errors in our demo API. Okay, yeah, yeah. I mean, I don't know if that's still an issue that needs to be fixed. Um, npm run build.
So it's supposed to have finished the code.
Finish the code? I think so.
Yeah.
It looks like. I would have expected more. I didn't think it would finish so quickly. Especially since like it would probably need to modify the workflow services to emit like the actual status.
Mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That would be a bit tricky. Unless it would open something like a stream.
right, let's try it out. Let's go. Why is it taking so long?
This is the front end, yeah?
um, yeah.
There's the API.
No,
Is it
there's
working?
no API when you hit the page, so users can easily find it. Let me add a demo link. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
so this is editing the rank first original page.
No, that's the demo page, but it's modifying the landing page. Yeah, so that it
Yeah,
links
okay.
to that page from
To
the
the
landing
demo.
page. All right, so it seems like it's done. Couldn't be easier. Ready to
See
rank
demo,
first.
okay.
All right, so try demo. Added try demo here at the top.
And added the button on the left.
Okay, so let's see. I don't know. Let's go with mint.ph. Let's see the network
The terminal.
start. Okay, I got a
Oh,
demo
checking
ID.
website
Oh, look at the
scrolling.
yo. Oh wow.
Scrolling.
Oof.
Developing content strategy.
I don't think we have the workers running, so I have no idea if this will ever resolve. Oh, it is. It's not using the workers. Ah, it uses the workers for post generation.
We are doing a post generation, so it might get stuck later.
Huh. I mean, it's not showing detailed updates, so it doesn't show that when generating blog posts titles. Okay. Demo
Nice.
complete.
So
27 keywords, 12 blog ideas, 0 content pillars? Oh, it's waiting for the status. For the blog generation. Yeah, but it's not showing the sample.
oh, yeah, there's no sample, but it's great. Like, can it also, when it generated the strategy, can it like show what is it working on exactly? What is it difficult?
When it generates a strategy, what?
Yeah, it's not showing the exact steps taking place.
Yeah, it's not showing. Yeah, I have that complaint too. It's not showing details. But I
Yeah,
think if it's gonna do that, like you're gonna need to modify like all of the functions, which maybe we need to do,
mm.
right?
But maybe if it's a massive change, then we can postpone it for later.
It's still checking for the status. What is it waiting for? So when it checks for status, hmm, it keeps checking for status, but the response is empty.
What
I don't know what it's checking for.
what status though? For which stage? It's done.
Yeah. No, it's probably a bug. I
Can you
mean, we can.
supply? Let's supply an email and see if I get it. Supply my email and see if I get the strategy.
Thank you. Check your inbox in the next few minutes. No way you're gonna get an email. I don't think there's any
We
way you're
don't
gonna
have
get an
a,
email.
yeah, we don't have a mail server.
Um, it could send it with the, you know, it could send it with the, what's it called? We're using loops for emails, but you need to create it from the dashboard. It's not gonna work on its own. All right, very interesting. I mean, it's a good first try. Maybe
I
we
mean,
could,
it's an incredible first try. That was a massive leap forward.
yeah. So it probably added your, it probably added your, oh, I don't think we should be showing that. All right, so it probably added your email to the list. Yeah, you're already on the list. Um, but we don't have the report thing set up, so you won't be able to receive the email. Oh, we can do this now. We can do this. Let's try it.
But hold on. How will it know where to start from? It already sent some emails.
Yeah, maybe it'll send them again. I hope it doesn't. I mean, it should be able to read the column to track like what was sent and what was not. So it should be backwards compatible. I guess we'll see now. Ready to send 900. See?
Hmm.
So it excludes any emails that were already sent. That's pretty smart. Oof. Service invoked too many times for 1 day. Only one email was sent. Wow. So it's a daily limit?
I thought the daily limit was 2000.
I have no idea. Service invoked too many times for 1 day email. That is crazy, man. You need to know your daily quota. Stop and resume the script at next day. Hmm. Okay. All right. That's a bummer. I mean, looks like we're hitting 100 was the daily limit?
I think you can see the daily limits for the account.
Quotas are based on the number of email recipients for specific quota information. Oh man. G Suite free edition. Google Workspace is 1500 a day. Ah, see?
So all the magic starts off $100.
Yeah, 60 days after you pay them $100. I guess we just need to not be using Gmail for this. We should integrate some third-party service like Mailgun or something and send emails that way.
Yeah, we can use Mailgun.
Yeah. Oh man. Okay. All right. So, um, all right, we're at 2.5 hours. I think we should wrap it up here. So maybe for next time, what we can do is, um, so lead gen tool. All right, so we have the lead gen tool, but it'd be nice if we can, um, show detailed updates and then send email with strategy. That part is not working.
And track users.
Track? What do you mean?
Yeah, tracking who's accessing it and what are they doing with the site, like just basic tracking.
Yeah, we have post hog that's set to automatically track.
Does
We
it,
can
will
also
it
set
track
that
the
in the
demo as well?
database. Yeah.
Okay.
So I guess yeah, just post hog analytics. Make sure it's working for demo, and then um, yeah, I think that's it. And then we just post it around.
You know, when we start getting some traction, we can create like an affiliate link that adds a discount to whomever shares the tool with their friends, and they
Mm-hmm.
get to sign up. So they get like instead of paying 99, they would be paying 89 with every method. And you know what I'm saying?
Yep. Yeah, that'd be a good idea once we actually have a bunch of users. I don't know that it would
Paying
be useful when
customers,
you don't
yeah.
have any. Um,
No, it's not useful now. Yeah.
yeah. Cool. All right, and then maybe switch email providers. Switch email providers for um, bulk sending, GAP switch. All right, cool. All right, folks, that's a wrap. We'll see you guys on the next one. Same time. Actually, probably an hour earlier, right?